Well, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Eric Mutinda. Professionally, I am a teacher handling biology and agriculture. Um, I would wish to share some content with the colleague teachers and students watching this video. In the two said subjects, I will be sharing them interchangeably so that we can score high grades and help the students of this country. So I teach in one of the schools in the country, and therefore I thought it is wise enough to actually share the information. You have been, I am very sure, you've been asking yourself why students have been failing in some of the sections. Well, today you are in the right place so that your answers can be given. I want to start by handling biology paper 2, more specifically in the essay section, and I will be specific in the essays of adaptations. I'll give examples in topics, then I will identify mistakes that are done by students. Then from there, I shall give correct answers. So most of the essay questions start right from Form 1. So colleague teachers, make sure that you train students right away from Form 1 so that when they are in Form 4, they know what an essay is. Let it not be that they are seeing the content for the first time when they are in Form 4. For example, we have adaptations of the leaf to its function, that is nutrition, Form 1. Adaptations of the ileum to its function, still nutrition, in Form 1. We have adaptations of the gill filament in gaseous and exchange, Form 2 work. We have adaptations of the skin to its function, that is excretion of metastases, in Form 2. Basically, when you are asked to write an adaptation, there is a procedure that we follow. An adaptation has 3 parts. Part number 1, it is the structure. Number 2, it is the feature or characteristic. Then number 3, we have a very important part that we call the function. So I will give examples in each while identifying those areas well. So like adaptations of the leaf to its function. It is not an adaptation if it lacks the following parts. That you should say the leaf has a cuticle that is transparent to allow penetration of light. That is when it is an adaptation. Yes, I have said the leaf has a transparent cuticle to allow penetration of light for photosynthesis. That statement has 3 parts. That is the structure, the feature, and the function. Therefore, it qualifies to be an adaptation. For example, the leaf is the structure, has a transparent cuticle, it is the feature or characteristic. Then the function is to allow penetration of light for photosynthesis. That is when it qualifies to be a full adaptation. Therefore, student scores 2 marks for this statement. Another example, let me go to the adaptations of the skin to its function. That we should say the skin has sebaceous glands that produces sebum, which is antiseptic. Let me repeat. The skin has sebaceous glands which produces sebum that is antiseptic. That is an adaptation. That the skin organ tick has sebaceous glands that produce sebum. Tick. Function that is antiseptic. So antiseptic means it is antibacterial. That is when it qualifies to be an adaptation. Most of our students, they always write that it is, some are, they are. Then examiners will be like, who is this you are talking about? It is what? Who is that? That is the question. Don't tell us that it is transparent to allow light. It is, who is that? It, what is that? So the adaptation in general should be having the organ. Yes, that one always you get it from the question. Then have the feature, then the function. That is when the statement qualifies to be an adaptation. So the aim of this channel, it is to share content. I hope you've learned something today. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, then comment. Call me Eric Mutinda, and if you like it, you can call me the Captain with Q. Thank you so much.